Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng BGC Concrete Batching Plant. We commit and we fulfill.
Start of the third quarter, position arrows, steps pass basketball. Put back on number 11. Change favor 46 to the TDS, 47 for your assistance plus. 2 points on number 15. Naman po tayo at 48-47, 1 point lead by the TDS. 10 seconds in the shot clock. 2 points on number 12. Rebound by number 12. Points on number 8. Number 1. 46 fire. Malakas. Number 18, 42. No Campo. 2 points on number 17 as the Campo. Ten seconds on the shot clock. 2 points on number 6. Chance to shoot. 2 points on number 15. Rebound by number 6, Iko. Return 12 on violation. Substitution number 15 for the TDS. And number 6 for the assistance plus. Foul has been whistled. Foul committer number 6, holding foul. That's your 4th personal. Warning na yan, coach, ha? Number 6. Ten to shoot. 5. Put back on number 18. Shot clock at 10. Last touch on Systems Plus. A CDS for Systems Plus basketball. Five to shoot. Good for two on number 11.
Y'all ready for this?
Foul has been whistled. Foul commit number 9 for the CDS. Out. Number 7 for the CDS. Shot clock 15 seconds.
Y'all ready for this?
Santos, wala. Foul has been whistled. Foul committed number 18, Santos, pushing foul. Number 11 out for the Systems Plus. Number 12 out and raising number 21. Foul has been whistled. Foul on number 18, Santos. Tatlo ka na, Santos. Second team foul on your CDS. It's an offensive foul committed number 21. That's an illegal pick. Good for two on number 0. Foul has been whistled. Foul on number 18, holding foul. Shot clock at 10.
Y'all ready for this?
2 points on number 0. Intercepted. Timeout is been requested by ZDS. Follow number 0. Shot clock remaining at 16 seconds to shoot for the CDS. Shot clock at 5. Shot clock violation, turnover. Systems plus basketball. Foul has been whistled. Foul committed number. Sub number 4 replacing number 6. Dalawa yan kay number 6 Eagle. Substitution. Number 12 replacing number 15. Pick up pass. Reset at 14. Shot clock at 10. Two points on number 4. Wala na ang kalamangan at 63-55. Wala ang lamang na Systems Plus.
Y'all ready for this?
8 seconds on shot clock. Good for 2 on number 0. Miscommunication, turnover, CDS basketball. Two points on number 18, Migos Santos. Santos, sir, Migos.
Y'all ready for this?
Back at 5. Bak, wala pa rin. Two points on number 4. Shot clock is up po tayo. Ten seconds. Shot clock. That's the end of our third quarter. Score po natin 65 for your Systems Plus, 59 for your CDS.
Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng BGC Concrete Batching Plant. We commit and we fulfill.